And she says, I wish that I could be like the cool kids, 'cause all the cool kids, they seem to fit in. I wish that I could be like the cool kids.
Welcome to our shack.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to go to one of the most happening party places down south. This is a very famous shack called Southern Deck here in Benaulim beach. So right now I'm with my friend Lassen and Sharon, my wife, and we're going to check out this place. Of course this is in the day and not during a party, but I just wanted to show you this place because it's really cool and this is our first time coming here. But Lassen's a local from this area, so he's going to take us around and he's going to show us around. He's my old friend, so I'm going to show you who Lassen is right now. Let's go and check out this beautiful place. Okay guys, so this is the entrance to the Southern Deck, and that's Lassen, my friend. Wave out.
Hello.
So that's Lassen, that's Sharon, you know Sharon. Okay, so this place looks beautiful. So look at the view guys, amazing. So the view is beautiful, the beach looks beautiful. Wow, look at this place. So they have like some of the most happening parties down south here every weekend. And this is like a beach bar and a beach shack, of course. So we will just check it out. Look at this place, so beautiful. So the beach is there in the distance. So this is what the bar looks like. Very cool. Like, so let's just look around a bit. Wow, look at this, it's cactus tree. So they have all these beach huts kind of thing here. And look at this, they have these beach swings which will be amazing for Instagram pictures. So I'm going to get some great pictures here. If you're on my Instagram, I'm sure you're going to see some great pictures. In this video I'm going to take out the drone and I'm going to show you the place from the drone as well. So it's very beautiful. So this is the Southern Deck here in South Goa guys. So we're going to get some drinks and everything and I'll show you guys what it's like. So guys, this is their bar. They have a fully stocked bar here, and let's just see what they have. They have everything, Kingfisher, Budweiser, whatever you need, all possible alcohol. Let's check out, let's get some drinks and hang out now and see this beautiful place, and it's going to be fun guys, so let's enjoy. So Mr. Lassen got some beer. Cheers brother. Yeah. So Mr. Lassen is the main man from this area. He has all the connections. Wherever I want to go, he's got it sorted here. So guys, look at the view from here. It's incredible. I'm so excited to get the drone out now and take some good shots, but I'll show you some more of the property as well. So we got Sharon got a Corona for her, so I'm going to give it to her now. And then I don't know, we're going to just chill here for a while. Well, so guys, this is something really cool. They just got us a Jaeger pulse. It's a Jaeger pulse. Okay, so they are like these kind of shots. Look at this. So it's like a Jaeger bomb, but it's like this. I've never had one of these before. So the manager just sent us over these, and it's so cool. I've never had one of these. So baby, you want to try one first? Yeah. So he's going to give you one. Just try it, try it.
What is this? Tell me what is this?
What?
Okay.
It's like a. Yeah. So let's try this and see what. Yeah. Let's try.
You also have it.
We're going to all try it.
Whatever
So.
happens to me should happen.
So go ahead, try it. Whoa. What does it taste like? What does it taste like?
I cannot explain, but it's nice.
It's nice. Okay, wait, my turn. Let's. Okay, so it's my turn to try. So,
nice.
is it dark? Can you
What?
see me?
No,
Yeah.
yeah.
So let's try this out. Look at it. It's cool. Okay. So it's basically like Red Bull, and the gel has it's like a Red Bull, and the gel has like foam and stuff like that. It has foam. Okay, so now Larsen's going to try it. Boom. So he did it the proper way. He had the proper way. 1 second, let's see.
That's good. It's good. That's good.
So he had it the proper way. I was supposed to have it. I was supposed to have it like that, but yeah, it's supposed to have the gel kind of thing together with it. But unfortunately, yeah, I had it without this thing. But anyway, it was good. It's something to try here. So that was sent by the manager. So thank you to the manager for sending that over. So guys, this is our first dish. What is this? Choriso stuffed calamari. So let's look at this properly. So this is the chorizo stuffed calamari. So if guys don't know what chorizo is like the Goan sausage version of Goan sausage kind of thing. It's a Spanish. Okay, so Sharon's saying it is a Spanish dish. Yeah. So what? It's Spanish, right? No. Okay, so it's the Goan version of the Spanish dish. So French fries and chorizo, very delicious looking. So yeah, very Instagrammable also. So I'll put the prices below, don't worry. And the next thing, wait, one more dish is come here. Okay, so put it fine.
Thai butter garlic prawns.
So these are Thai butter garlic prawns. Thai butter garlic prawns. Wow. So that looks delicious. So we're gonna have an Instagram day today with looking at these delicious looking dishes, and we're gonna enjoy our meal, and we're gonna get some more food. Many more dishes are on the way. So let's see what we get more. So he's brought us another dish, which is the batter fried squids here. This is the crispy squids, calamari, also known as. So all our dishes are here. Sharon's here. So let me try out the dishes now. So I'm going to start trying out the dishes. I'll just put my mic here so I can be seen with what I'm eating. The food looks delicious actually. So let's try out the chorizo squids, stuffed squids. So delicious. This is, if you guys know me, I love chorizo, which is like the Goan dish. Sharon's like anti chorizo because I don't know why. She's laughing now. She's saying she's not, but okay. So let's try this out. This is Goan heaven for me because being Goan, this is what I've always wanted. This it feels so good. Have this nice spice. It has a nice burning kick right at the back of your head. When you eat it, it's like a slap in your head, which is really good. So anyway, let's get on to trying something else. Let's try out. Lassen take something, right?
It has this calamari.
So you try it now. So let Lassen try it out. You can use your hand, man. No problem.
Okay.
So it looks nice and crispy, toasty. That's delicious. Just dip it in the
Mayo.
mayo sauce and so
Okay, so Lassen's gonna try it now.
Lassen's going to try it. What do you think about it? Wait, let you eat first.
It's good. It's good. It's nice. It's nice and crispy.
So he's saying it's nice and crispy. I like it. You see, you dip this in the French fries and you can eat this. It's so good. I love food, guys. You know, if you know me, I'm a foodie. So I'm all about food. My mouth's literally watering. You can, you know that. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to try is the, what is this? Butter garlic prawns, right? Thai butter garlic prawns. So let's try this out. So good, I don't even know what to say. Yeah. So he's got more dishes for us. So let's see what he got next. Goan fried chicken. So he got us another dish, which is Goan fried chicken. So what is this? Like the like cutlet bread kind of thing.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a version of cutlet bread, but this is like the Goan fried chicken, guys. So look at this, guys. This is a feast, literally a feast. So let's get into trying some of this, and let me try a piece. I'm just going to use my hands. It looks good. So let's eat. Delicious. So it's like a, I would say it's like a masala fried, like exactly like a Goan cutlet bread. So good, guys. So it's so hot, my mouth's burning, but I'm enjoying it. I love it here. So a big thank you to Lassen for bringing me over here today, not tonight. So you see already the beers are working, guys. So the beers and the shots we had are working. Cheers, brother, to a great day and a great weekend with my very old friend. So guys, let's get into eating and enjoy our meal. So guys, we're having a delicious meal here, and let's just look over our dishes just for a look. So Dasan's trying the stuffed squid. It's so delicious, guys. Everything is so on point. My mouth is still watering. So let's get on to eating. I'm just going to eat. I'm going to shut up now and start eating. So guys, it's evening now, and as you can see, the crowd has come in. The place is completely full inside, but of course, to respect everyone's privacy, let's not go and show people. But here's some movie shooting or something is going on. No, I think it's a music video shooting. So we'll just head on to the beach a little bit, and let me just show you. The beach is actually quite beautiful right now, as there's so many people, and let's just see. So as you can see, there are lots of people here. Surprisingly, there's a lot of foreigners. So there's a lot of foreigners here at the beach. There's a lot of people all over. There's Indian tourists from all over India, and surprisingly, there's a lot of foreigners that side as well. So yeah, there's foreigners, Indian tourists, and it's very beautiful here. As you can see, there's parasailing, not paragliding, and they have all water sports here on this beach. Of course, I will be doing another Benaulim beach vlog soon, and you can watch that one on my channel. So definitely check that one out, guys. So guys, right now it's a sundowner party here at the restaurant and bar. So it's so beautiful here. So we're gonna have a sundowner party right now. As you can see, the tables are cleared out and everything's been cleared out. It's gonna be so beautiful. Sharon's out there on the swing. So we're gonna have a sundowner party right now, and as you can see, the crowd has started to come in onto Benaulim beach here. It's so beautiful and there is so many people right now. There's parasailing, everything's available at the moment. So beautiful. There's people playing beach volleyball and Sharon's on the swing in the distance there. So let's go over to Sharon. It's so beautiful and the vibe is just amazing here. The sundowner is amazing, guys. You have to come here for a sundowner party. It's just so beautiful. So Sharon's there sitting on her swing, and how relaxing and peaceful does that look, guys? Amazing. So I'm going to join her and then we'll get on back onto the sundowner party, guys.
TV, sunset shit don't change. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I wouldn't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate, say we changing, look, we made it. Yeah, we made it. Congratulations.
So guys, that is it from Southern Deck here in South Goa. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this vlog, and I'll be bringing lots of other videos from all over Goa.